Today we'll be going over how to scoop the Lacrosse Groundball. Critical elements are get low, place the head of the stick parallel to the ground, same side foot near the ball to block, scoop through the ball, and then immediately begin cradling. So what you first want to do is when you come up to the ball, the same side foot of the stick is parallel to the ball as to guard from any defenders. You want to get as low as you can with the head of your stick in front of the ball, and then you scoop through, you come up, and you begin to immediately cradle. So I'll show you one more time, and then I'll do it fast. Again.